How to make this dripping effect. Let's start with selection tool. Delete the background. And make the same with this. I will cut it a little. Then right-click and warp. Make it a little bigger than the object. Now hold the Control button and click on the layer to make a selection. Click the subject layer and copy and paste. Delete the dripping layer. Press on the subject and lower the opacity. Take the selection tool or do it with the eraser. Merge the layers together and make a background. Thank you for watching.